Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, charge the phone above 50% and turn off auto brightness so the process runs consistently. Open Settings, choose Display, then Screen Care or the Screen Saver option Samsung provides. Once there, enable Pixel Shift or an automatic screen moving feature and set a 10 to 30 minute session. This moves static content just enough to relax burn pixels. Do this immediately and watch closely, because early motion prevents further burn and begins redistributing voltage across affected areas. Next, you run a targeted color cycling routine to coax stuck pixels back to normal. Install a reliable color cycling app or use built-in white/gray test patterns if available. The why is simple. Alternating full-screen colors forces each subpixel to change state. Run the cycle for 1 to 2 hours at medium brightness to avoid heat stress. Once started, pause every 20-30 minutes to inspect the area. If ghosting improves, continue. If nothing changes, keep runs shorter and reassess. To finish, lower brightness, enable dark mode and turn on adaptive refresh to reduce future risk. These steps minimize static high-contrast images that cause burn. Once done, give the display 24 to 48 hours while repeating short color cycles if you see gradual improvement. If the burn remains unchanged after that period, try a professional pixel repair tool or contact Samsung service. Make sure to back up your data before any factory reset or repair. Troubleshooting tip: if heat appears, stop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.